Here it is, guys, the final reveal for our dual operator, dual user BPX 25 skid. So we've got our dual operators off the back. So we got dual stainless steel reels with 200 feet of 1/2 inch, 300 PSI Pro Tool ultralight hose right here. Super awesome hose with dual gas engines, dual BPX 25 pumps coming into the dual regulators right here. So we got the left one for our RO system and our right one for our soft wash system. So if you come around the side here, we've got a full metering manifold for our tanks and our soft wash system right here. So Pro Tool mix station, we got our water line, our SH line, and our soap line. This is all with 3/4 inch plumbing and stainless steel barbs for the maximum amount of flow through this system. 1 inch suction hose going on to that pump and 3/4 inch bypass recirculate line. So when you let go of that gun, it's going to recirculate through that manifold and just keep going around. Comes with our nice quick change field replaceable check valve. So if you got any check valves that go bad, you can quickly remove that out, throw a new one in, and get back up and running within a minute or two. Then we've got our inlet reel over here. So this is another stainless steel reel with 5/8, 150 feet of water inlet hose right here. Again, all of these reels come with large 3/4 inch manifolds. So these provide lots of flow going in and out of these reels to not restrict any water going out to the building or any water coming in to fill up your tanks and for that RO system. Speaking of which, we got our double carbon filters here, double 20-inch filters, our on-off valve for our pure water system, our bypass waistline valve right here. Then we got a 7-gallon water leveling tank for our soft wash system, as well as our 7-gallon surfactant tank for that system as well. Then our final tank right here, we got 55-gallon RO holding tank for RO water coming out of the dual high flow membranes with a 110 pump right here. We got a power pack, Pro Tool power pack right here. Pump plate down underneath. That's going to be pushing those high flow membranes to get about 4 to 4.5 gallons a minute of RO water going into the tank, so you can deliver and keep up with that BPX 25 pump for RO delivery. Then we got our 80-gallon bleach tank right here, trying to give you guys the most amount of bleach we can, so that way you guys don't have to worry about any limitations when you guys are trying to clean. So this cool little skid is going to be used to clean about 125 feet up in the air, doing building cleaning. So they're going to soft wash first and then finish up with a nice RO rinse from afar out of that boom lift. This is going to go into a nice Ford F-150 pickup truck, so we're going to be about maximizing the most amount of gear and equipment we can within that payload capacity of that truck. So check out our Pro Tool dual operator BPX 25 skids and any other skids that you guys might be interested in.